Intermittent fasting is changing the way people eat. But there are so many different ways to fast these days. Is one method better than all the rest? Personal trainer and health coach Max Lowery says cutting your eating down to just 2 meals a day is the best way to tackle fasting head-on.
My name is Max Lowery and I'm the author of the 2 Meal Day. And the 2 Meal Day is the simplest and most effective method of intermittent fasting. So 16-8 is basically, you break your day up into a period of a 16-hour fast with an 8-hour eating window. And I think it's just, for me, this is just a more natural way of eating. Obviously, most people that start doing the 2 Meal Day is because of weight loss. And yes, they're losing weight, but actually we're constantly hearing how people have so much more energy throughout the day. They're not having, those energy crashes because they're not so dependent on food for energy. They're using body fat. They realize that they don't have to constantly eat to get themselves through the day.
But Lowery believes that the 16-8 method might not be as perfect as it seems. With just one slight adjustment, he says you can make it far more effective.
So the reason I started the 2 Meal Day and it's not the 16-8 is because one of the main issues that people come into with the 16-8 is that they get obsessed with the time periods and they start counting down the hours until they can eat, and they end up eating because the clock tells them to rather than their body tells them to. It's essentially the same thing in terms of what's going on, but just changing the focus to listening to your body is when it becomes a way of life, because you're understanding yourself better. If someone says, okay, how do I start tomorrow? First of all, choose whether you are going to find it easier to skip dinner or you're going to find it easier to skip breakfast. So say you're skipping breakfast, I would say, okay, what time do you normally have your breakfast? Average person says 8 a.m. I will say, okay, rather than 8 a.m., go into work or whatever you're doing and wait until 10 a.m. and see how you feel. And then basically over the course of 2 weeks, push it until it's 16-hour gap. And the whole time you're listening to your body, you're kind of hopefully learning to understand that just because your stomach is empty does not mean that you're hungry. Then the main thing is that you fundamentally need to be eating whole foods, cooked from scratch. A lot of other intermittent fasting methods have been like, oh no, you can eat what you want, but just in a small time period, or eat what you want for 5 days. That doesn't encourage changes in behavior long term, which is obviously fundamentally what the issue is for some people. So all I'm trying to do is just educate people and give them the tools to listen to their bodies better. And that's really what it boils down to.